Welcome to my class on Python 3. My name is Marcus Gardner. So, why Python 3? Well, Python is an extremely easy language to get started in. That's why I said this class would be great for middle school students. Many of the commands are similar to English words. Python is extremely popular and it is still growing. There are literally tons of libraries out there that use Python that can add on to your learning. If you can dream it, Python can do it. Almost. Python is great for artificial intelligence. I wish they had Python back when I was learning artificial intelligence. It would have made my life a whole lot easier. Who is this class for? Anyone in middle school or beyond. Even grandparents are learning Python. This is a great language to start with if you want to change careers. This class will have PDF files for each class containing info on the class as well as the homework. Optional tests to see where you stand as if you were in class. Optional labs where I can help you with your assignments. Now, I said optional. There is absolutely no requirement for you to take those tests or labs. In fact, I suggest you don't. Because my goal is for everyone and anyone to be able to take this class for free. There are plenty of websites out there. You can ask for help on how to do a certain project. Okay? So use those resources. Okay? Take this class for free. Okay? That's what it's here for. All right. So, I hope you will enjoy the class, and I hope to see you there. All right. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.